Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to show you guys how I do this quick everyday makeup look. It is under 10 minutes. So if you guys want to learn how I do this, just go ahead and keep watching. Okay guys, so I already washed my face and I put some toner as well. So I would just recommend to start pretty much just use like any cleanser to wash your face. Make sure that it's super clean. And then you can use a moisturizer, toner, whichever one you choose. And let's go ahead and start with our primer. So all these products are from the drugstore, so they're pretty affordable. And this is just what I've been loving using every day. So after our primer, we're going to go ahead and put some foundation on. And this is my favorite drugstore foundation at the moment. I feel like it has a pretty good coverage, but you can definitely build it up if you want a fuller coverage. And it's really easy to blend in. I feel like it doesn't look cakey, so I really like this Revlon foundation. And I'm going to go ahead and just blend it in with my sponge. I prefer the sponge over the brush just because I feel like it comes in smoother. You could really make it look flawless instead of using the brush where sometimes you can get those lines. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that all in. And then actually I lied. So this is the only product that's not drugstore, which is the Born This Way concealer. I absolutely love it, but I'll go ahead and put a concealer that is from the drugstore that I also love as well in the description box if you guys do not want to spend on a concealer like this one. This is just the one that I wanted to try out. So that's why I've been using it. And I really like it, you guys. I feel like if you do want to splurge on a concealer, it is a really good concealer. For my powder, I'm just going to go ahead and set everything in with this Rimmel powder. And I'm actually running out. So as you can see, it's pretty empty. But I like to go ahead and add this powder under my eyes with the sponge. I feel like it helps with not getting any creases under when you actually push it in with the damp sponge that I use to blend in my foundation. Then for the rest of my face, I do set it with an actual brush. And you're just patting that powder in. You don't want to brush it off. So just gently pat the powder in all over your face. I have to set my face because my skin is very oily. So I do apologize how dirty my bronzer is. But this is my Hoola bronzer. This is my all-time favorite. And I'm just going to go ahead and add it on. It's not precise. I'm not like really contouring. Is pretty much just like just bronzing my face. So I put it on my cheekbones and on my forehead, and I feel like it makes it look like you really made an effort to try to, like, you took your time doing your makeup when you add some bronzer on the temples and on your cheeks, but it really does not take that long. So that same brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and pinch it, and I'm gonna go ahead and just contour my nose a little bit. I feel like it doesn't take very long, and it does make a difference. And then that same Hoola bronzer, I'm going to go ahead and put it on the eyes. And I like it because since it matches your face, I don't know, I feel like it looks really nice together when you do use that same bronzer on your crease. Now you don't have to use, that my Hoola bronzer. You can use any bronzer you'd like. And then this is my Milani Luminoso blush. It's really, I really love that color. It's not too dark, especially because I am pretty pale. So I feel like this is the perfect peachy color for me, and I can use it every day, and it looks really nice. It's been my favorite for years now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Carly Bible palette. Again, it's super affordable, and it's from BH Cosmetics. It's pretty old, but I'm just taking that gold color and just patting it with my finger on my eyelid. I feel like if you guys have watched any of my makeup tutorials, I've always said that I feel like the glitters work so much better when you just put them in with your finger. The pigment just looks so much better. So I'm just not being very precise. I'm honestly just throwing it on my lid. And then we're going to just go ahead and blend with a darker shade of brown, just to make it look a little bit more put together. But again, this does not take long at all. So once I put it all on my crease, I'm gonna go ahead and add it under my waterline as well. I like to smudge it out because it makes it look kind of smoky. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just do my eyebrows really quickly just using this NYX pencil. I literally just outline them and I put a little bit of product on the tail and I just brush it out. That's all I do because I like to keep my eyebrows very natural. I don't like the heavy look. So I feel like this is super easy. It literally takes 2 minutes to do, not even 2 minutes to pretty much put it on. Okay, so after that, I'll just go ahead and go in with some mascara. And I don't put a lot of mascara on. It's honestly just so that my eyelashes can show since I don't have very long lashes. But I don't even curl them. It's just putting some on at the top and at the bottom lashes. And then with this pink shimmery color, you can use any highlight color. I just put it on the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm also going to just put some liquid lipstick on. This is like a rosy color, like a pale rose color. I feel like it goes with everything, with any kind of bronze look or anything like that. And then that is it, you guys. That is all I put on my face. And it looks like it takes longer than what it is. If I have more time, I'll put like a wing liner. But other than that, I just go with this look and I feel like it looks very natural. And again, it's like an everyday makeup. So hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.